In this video, we are going to be producing the first angle orthographic projection of the isometric block on the screen. So first of all, we are going to be drawing our vertical and horizontal line as we have done. So we are going to be keeping a border which is 1 centimeter, that's 10 millimeter on each side. So it's going to be like this. So we draw it like this. The top also like this. So we are going to be drawing this one like this. Please make sure it's with 10 lines. Make sure it's with 10 lines. So now we have done that already. So first of all, we are going to be starting with the front elevation. That's the front view. As we can see, the base is 30 millimeter, so we'll pick our 30 millimeter, which is here. And as we can see, the height here is 40 millimeter, so we are going to be picking 40 millimeter to the top here. From there, we are going to be drawing our straight line up like this. Let's just thicken that part out direct. So, and we can also thicken out this place for now like this. So now we are going to be drawing this line, that is the straight line, that's the slant line like this. So from here to here, we'll draw this slant line, and as we can see, there is an hidden hole that is in this part, which is 25 millimeter. So pick our 25 millimeter on our ruler like this. So we'll draw the hidden details like this. So that's for the front. That's that for the front view. So now we are going to be projecting downward in order to draw our plan or top view. We don't call it plan, or we call it the top view. So we are going to pick here also as 30 millimeter. So as we can see on the block from the top view, we are viewing it from the top. Let's make sure we are using tinting lines to draw this. So now, as we can see, there is this place that cut in this place. So we'll pick our 10 that's 10 millimeter. I will project this from the front elevation using a thin line. We'll project downward like this. So from here we'll be drawing to this place like this and like this. So this place is going to be continue with short dashes like this, and this place also with short dashes. So now we can thicken out the main parts that we are going to be needing to draw.
I believe you are finding value in this video, so kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notification to be the first to get any more of this video we are going to be posting later on. And also don't forget to hit the like button and also comment your idea about this video in the comment section.
So that's for our plan. So to draw our side view, we are going to pick our 45-degree set square. From this middle point, we project a straight line downward like this. Then from there, we'll project tinting lines to the edge of those lines like this, then like this. So from here, we are going to be projecting upward in order to draw our side view. So project upward like this from here, project upward like this from here, then like this also from here. So now we are going to be drawing from this top here like this. We draw like this. Then from here also we are going to be projecting like this also. Making use of tinting lines, please. Let's ensure we are making use of tinting line. So now we have gotten all the points. We only need to just thicken out the parts we'll be needing. So it's going to be like this. So like this. If you are finding value in this video, kindly drop a like, subscribe, share with your friends. They will also be needing it